The Getaway Co. for me, honestly, is a blessing because I'm a new baby vegan, only 6 months, and when I thought it's springtime, I'm gonna start to travel, I got really nervous about traveling and being able to maintain how I eat at home, plant-based. And the Getaway Co. honestly is the perfect answer. It allowed me to travel and also meet people that are like-minded and eat what I want to eat. And for that, I just want to say thank you to Amanda and the Getaway Co. Yamas. What's great about this trip is being in a different country and eating plant-based gives me a lot of hope because I do it at home in New York, and traveling around and seeing other countries and everyone, the whole community globally eat plant-based is really hopeful, and it's really positive for the future, whether that's a year down the road or 10 years down the road. And I'm just really happy to see that it's happening across the world. And it's the best time to be plant-based.